Well, there's an amazing group of people that came to take part in this commemoration, coming all the way from Israel. And we have many, many people coming from the region, from Germany, from other places. But this group of people, which is very dedicated in many, many projects that we'll have in the coming days, has come to take part in that because we see a huge importance in telling the story of the past. 7,144 Jews of Macedonia perished. 3,013 Jews of Bitola were lost in Treblinka. And there's no one to tell the story. So we have to tell the story. And telling the story can be done in different ways. So what we are going to try and do in the coming days, after we'll have a seminar to talk about it, after that we will have the March of the Living, where we will invite the people of Bitola to join us, to walk with us, to march, starting from the memorial all the way to the station from where the Jews were taken and afterwards killed in Treblinka. We will have a special hackathon, which is a big competition of innovation, to tell the story with new tools. We will have a very special project of Bible, where people will be invited to write one by one a verse with their own handwriting, with a special Bible dedicated for the Jews of Macedonia. We are going to have an opening of exhibition telling the story of the amazing people who saved Jews. Diplomats, 36 diplomats from all over the world that have saved Jews during these terrible times. So there were also a few dots, a few moments of light. This all will happen here. We will have a lot of guests. We will have the President of the Parliament coming especially for that, and a delegation from the Parliament. We will have the Deputy Minister of Defense from Israel coming to take part in that, and the Member of Parliament, Zoher Baalul, which is the head of the parliamentary group. They will all be here. And to all that we will have youngsters from Germany, from Israel, from many other places that will take part in the projects. We will have people coming and putting stones, as the Jewish tradition, with the names of the family and those who died during the Holocaust, to remember the families, to remember the people. This will all happen during the coming days. And as a special decoration, a special gift for us, we have the wonderful choir from the Drom HaSharon region in Israel, and the mayor is with them here. Hopefully we'll also lead this to some kind of a partnership between the Sharon and Bitola, and they will sing in all the events. I thought it would be nice to start with a special song that they're going to perform also at a later stage in the big concert in Skopje. Some of the events, of course, will be in Skopje. The Prime Minister of Macedonia is going to speak there in Monopol. We're going to have a big concert in Skopje and another March of the Living. It will happen there. We will lay wreath here. We will lay wreath in Monopol. We will have the mayor of Bitola marching with us. I hope I didn't forget anything important, but I'm so excited, and I almost feel a bit like the host of the thing, but of course I'm not the host. I'm a guest here, enjoying more than 20 times here, and it's an amazing place. So I hope we'll have a lot of opportunities for cooperation. The Sharon.